Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the low-driven shot. To begin, understand that this shot is all about power and accuracy, keeping the ball low to the ground. It's incredibly effective for surprising goalkeepers and finding the back of the net. We'll break down the technique into simple, actionable steps, ensuring you can master this essential skill. Get ready to add a formidable weapon to your attacking arsenal. Next, let's focus on your body position and approach. Place your non-kicking foot roughly 6 to 12 inches beside the ball, aiming it directly at your target. This provides a stable base. Lean slightly over the ball, maintaining excellent balance, and keep your head down. Approach the ball at a slight angle, around 30 to 45 degrees, to set yourself up for maximum power and control. This foundation is crucial for a successful strike. Now for the most critical part, ball contact. You'll want to strike the ball with the instep or laces of your kicking foot, using the firmest part. Aim for the lower half of the ball, about 1/3 of the way up from the ground, to ensure it stays low. After contact, follow through by driving your foot directly towards your target, keeping your ankle locked and your body leaning over the ball. This ensures a powerful, accurate, and low trajectory. Finally, consistent practice is key to mastering this shot. Set up targets and practice shooting from different distances, focusing on both power and accuracy. Try using cones or small goals to simulate game scenarios, refining your aim. Aim to repeat the technique at least 20 to 30 times per session, building muscle memory. With dedication, you'll soon be confidently unleashing powerful, low-driven shots, making you a more dangerous player on the field.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.